فرحان كذا باجواء الرحلات الشتاء لانه مرتبطه عندنا بالشتاء جنن. فاحنا كنا مخططين نجي حتى على الشتاء لانه دائما احنا في
الشتاء خلاص.
ايوه فشكل الحين من الحين ايوه نقدم
بس اسمع احنا ما جربنا نشوف كيف الجو في هذا يعني في الظهر كيف.
ايوه صح. احنا جايين على المغربيه بس المغربيه
ايوه
بس حلو والله جو مره حلو.
مرة حلو والله.
ان شاء الله كمان بعد شهر يصير احلى واحلى.
يس.
حق مين الكوره؟ اوه ماي جاد حنوصل 7:35. طبعا الطريق حياخذ 122 دقيقة 122 مظبوط قلتها.
لا مو 100 الدقيقة الساعة 60 مو 100.
المهم ما علينا ساعة و20 دقيقة
يعني 82
في شيء كان في شعري
دقيقة.
اتوقع طار شيء من الشجرة او شيء ما علينا. المهم خلصنا من مفاجأة إيرين الحين رايحين على الفعالية الثانية.
Surprise again?
It's not surprise. It's surprise صح؟ أقول لكم وين حنروح ولا لا؟
Yes, please.
حنروح نسوي كوكيز. Yes. Excited?
Yes, but Mama, I wanted to ask you something.
ها.
هذا
سوي الحزام لين.
Can we بكرة نروح عند هذاك البينتينج مكان؟
حق اللي رحنا نلون فيه كاسات وكذا.
Yeah.
لسه الان طلع لي هذا فيديو رحت الولين والله يبغى له يلولي بس مو بكره يوم ثاني.
Okay.
هذاك المكان مره احب اقعد كذا اروق انا وإيرين نختار شيء نلون نقعد ساعه ساعتين نشرب كوفي ولا شوكولات ولا ما ادري ايش. روقان هذاك المكان مره حلو. المهم رايحين نسوي كوكيز بالهون. اشوفك ما استغربت ما تحمست ما في ردة فعل ابدا.
ايش الكوكيز؟
عشان لما تطفش يوم من الايام وما تعرف ايش تطبخ بدل الكيكه حقك
حروح العب بلاي ستيشن.
الكيكه اللي صجيتنا فيها تروح سوي كوكيز تتعلم وصفه جديده لو سمحت.
Mama, so like in the shop.
قعدنا في السيارة ساعة ونص يا جماعة، والله تعبنا. المهم وصلنا على المكان، وتخيلوا على حظنا هذا الباركينج فل صح، بس مكان واحد فضي. قام عبد الرحمن كان يبي يباركن، بس حرمة فيه كانت قدامنا باركنت، يعني بس لو قدمنا 30 ثانية كان مداني يلاقي موقف. فهذا واقف الحين مستني أحد يطلع من السيارات، فقلت له أنا هلحقك، لأنه قصدي حتقدم عليك، لأنه ما في أحد وصل لسه. شكله بس اليوم أنا وعبد الرحمن ولين. Yeah. So fun, right? يلا let's go. يلا let's go. وي أتوقع. أوكي.
practice for my مطعم.
اوكي وصلنا. طبعا شوفوا عندنا 4 صحون، واحدة لي، واحدة عبد الرحمن، واحدة لإلين، وفي شكله أحد هذا واحد للشيف. يعني بس احنا اللي حنكون اليوم. نايس، يعني كأنه ايش برايفت كوكينج كلاس. حنسوي كوكيز اليوم. هذه المقادير، يلا احفظوا يا جماعة عشان بعدين لو طلع حلو. لولي لازم تحفظوا المقادير عشان لو طلع حلو نسويه في البيت بعدين. كمان شفت انه هذا المكان مو بس يعني عندهم تقريبا كل اسبوع يسووا اكله معينه، مو بس كوكيز. في مره شفتهم يسووا بيتزا، مره شفتهم يزينوا كيك، مره شفتهم ما ادري يسووا باستا اتوقع. فحسيت كذا اكتيفيتي حلو ممتع، خاصه تسووه مع الاطفال كمان. والله ما شاء الله عبد الرحمن يقول لي انا محظوظ في المواقف، اقول له من جد شوفوا ما شاء الله لقى موقف.
لقين هذه شايفين عشان انا.
على فكره ما توقعت ان حنكون بس احنا لوحدنا. احلى صح؟
احسن مليون مره.
انا توقعت حيكون انهم شوف الطاوله كيف كبيره، تكفي ناس كثير.
ثانك يو.
يلا نربط لك اياه. حتصير شوفي.
انا اكره الطبخ اصلا. جابتني جيبيني محل كذا نغير فيه زيت سيارات، نغير كفرات، نرش السياره بويه.
فرصتك تتفلسف على هذا
ايش؟
الشيف تقول له
ايش؟
فرصتك تتفلسف عليه، تقول له طب ليش ما نحط زبده اللوتس مع شويه.
لا هذا حيطردني على طول.
علي تقعد تتفلسف صح؟ لما بدأ الفلسفة يقول له بغير الزبدة استخدم بدالها زيت عشان الكوكيز. قال له لا.
Do you have milkshake? Sir? Milkshake.
We do an acai smoothie.
What milk you use?
We have regular milk, oat milk, almond milk, and coconut.
Coconut milk.
Coconut. Alright, one matcha ice coconut milk.
Yes.
ماما ترى أنا اللي علمتك تسوي كوكونات.
والله انك كمان.
We have the new graded. So
What is this summer special?
some special.
حنقدر نطبخ يا جماعة. ما ادري حطيت مكان بحيث انه ماشي هيك. احس مو متعودة انا اطبخ وانا قاعدة، احس لازم اكون واقفة. ليش قاعد توت؟ ها؟
مدري على اساس انك ما تعرف تسوي كوكيز، كلنا مسويين كوكيز.
لو تعرفكم دفعت انا عشان اسوي كوكيز.
قول يا الله يا الله.
I want to make cookies over me.
Yeah.
But this one's like vanilla.
So you're ready to start? So once again, good evening. Welcome to Boom. My name is Nigel. I'll be your instructor for today. This is your first time doing the workshop with us?
Yes.
Yes.
Awesome. Great. So out of all our classes, we have like 13 different classes here. Why choose cookies? Why this class? I don't care.
Why?
Because I called today and they told me we have cookies.
Oh, okay. So you chose cookies today. So all right.
Yes.
Awesome.
It's like a coincidence. But you make like pizza, so.
Yes. We do, so basically most of our classes need like 12 to 24 hours in advance because you've got to prepare the dough and it takes like about 24 hours. So yeah, cookies is one of the classes we can take in as well.
Yes.
Alright.
But I would like to do the pizza.
Oh yeah, our pizza class is
Not pizza, like something like, I don't know.
The focaccia?
Yes.
Yeah, we just had focaccia at, I want to say at 9 a.m. today.
You're going to have another class?
No, today morning it was at 9 a.m.
It was, okay.
I will be interested if you make mandi.
Which? What?
Menti.
Alrighty, so just a little reminder, once I finish making the cookies, I'll place those trays in front of you all, just don't touch it for about 10 minutes.
Yeah,
We don't want anyone burning their stuff, alright?
Oh, really?
لا تمسكها قاعد لما تيجي صينية تكون حارة لا تمسكوها. طلبة مش هنغبي.
Awesome, so that is our recipe. You can go ahead and take a picture of it.
So I will still the recipe.
So, right here in this big bowl, we have our flour. Okay, we are using all-purpose flour. It is instead of using flour, I know the flour of that. Yes. So, we are using all-purpose flour. There's another flour called T45 flour, which can also be used. So that would make your cookies a little bit more softer and chewy. So T45 flour is a flour with very little gluten. Alright? It's about 2% less than all-purpose flour. It's not going to make too big of a difference, but a little bit softer and chewy. Alright?
And for the cake, you use the same one?
All-purpose flour?
Yeah.
It depends what kind of cake you want. Yeah. Next, in our dry ingredients, we have our baking powder. Do you all know why do we use baking powder? What does it do?
Yeah, to rice.
Rice, exactly. So, even though it will rise a little bit, because we have butter in there, it's going to melt back down, right? But the whole purpose of that initial rising is so our cookies are not going to be dense, right? It's going to be, you'll have a nice crumble to it, rather than it just being like one solid piece. So very important to use baking powder. Now, if you don't have baking powder and only have baking soda, instead of using 8 grams, you might want to only use 2.5 grams of baking soda. It's, yeah, baking soda is very strong compared to baking powder. Alright?
Excuse me,
Yes.
why do we need this much butter? It's too much.
It's for this recipe
To make you fat,
necessary.
A mountain.
Cookies and get your friends. Yeah, don't burn them up.
No, it's mom.
You'll not eat this. Too much. How many cookies will we have at the end?
Everyone will have 15 cookies.
Oh, so 45 cookies.
45 cookies.
Yeah.
Now we have 2 types of sugar.
طلبت لي ماتش يا جماعة عشان ايش نروح
Let's go. Let's start. What's the what we do now?
Yes, I know. We add butter and then
Not yet. Always first thing, you mix in your dry ingredients before you mix in your wet ingredients.
okay.
So all the dry ingredients.
Okay.
Go with your baking
You
soda.
always put the dry ingredients.
Okay.
Every time, like in
طيب
games.
أول شيء طبعا صورت لكم الوصفة.
Wait, put
Is
this
it the sugar?
baking.
Yes. We go ahead with both our sugar
Yes.
as well.
صورت المقادير حط لكم إياها. والطريقة هذه قاعدين نسويها. أول شيء نحط المكونات
What
الجاهزة.
about this one?
حطينا السكر وحطينا البيكنج باودر البيكنج
Oh
صودا.
my god, it's
And
so
yeah,
hot.
once you put in your brown sugar, we can start mixing it up.
نايس. كيف عبد الرحمن؟ يعني حتكون الكوكيز لما تاكلها حتتلذذ فيها فاهم؟ لان انت
المشكلة تعرف ايش بقول لك؟ انه انا مو مرة من محبين الكوكيز، عشان كذا مو مرة متحمس.
هو هذا الحصة اللي لقيتها كوكيز. So you do like in one day like multiple classes, not only one?
Yeah, we do 8 classes in total with both shops. We actually have another first branch in Karama, so we do 4 classes every day.
Wow. Can you send me on WhatsApp what other classes, what other recipe?
For
Not cookies, like
we can't just share recipes. So.
no, not recipe.
What's the option that you have?
Options, yeah.
Oh,
like
yeah, sure.
Cookies and what
I'll
else?
send you the
Please,
link to our website. Have you visited our website?
No.
Yes, so I'll send you a link to our website. We have everything on there.
Okay.
So most of our classes are
pizza,
12 hours
chocolate.
in advanced cooking, some of them 24. For our croissants, we need 14-hour notice.
For what?
For croissants.
Croissant. Oh.
Yeah, and our croissant class, pasta as well as a profiteroles is a maximum of 6 people.
No, we're not for 6 only.
And latte art is only 2 people. We do
This is the minimum or the maximum?
only for those classes. Everything else we can do up to 30 people, like cookies, pizza, and so on.
Maximum يقول لك مو minimum.
Maximum.
So when you
Minimum things, huh?
so when you say maximum, that's mean we can't do it. We are
No, minimum can be even 1. It doesn't
Ah.
matter.
And the price is the same.
No, each class is a different class. Alright, so that should be good mixing.
Yeah.
Now we're going to move on to our wet ingredients, alright? So we're going to crack our eggs. Now, whenever you crack eggs, never crack it into the bowl with all the other
Separately.
ingredients. Always crack it separately.
So it's
Okay, so take one of the bowls that have your sugar in it.
That's okay. I asked it.
One like this.
Anyway, best recommended always on the table. There we go.
Allez.
You should crack it in the separate bowl. It's fine.
It's okay, it's not
It's
rotten
fine.
yet. So a little bit of sugar.
Put it in a separate bowl just in case if any shell gets in there. And I'm just going to switch this out just in case there's a shell in there. I
Okay.
don't want, because it can be a choking hazard.
And there's a shell.
Alright, you can hand me those. You can take
Oh,
this.
your eggs is orange.
Okay.
I like the orange kind.
Yeah.
Now, before we add the eggs, we're going to move with our butter first, okay? We're going to take our butter. We're going to break it up into medium to large pieces and just drop it all over randomly. Since we're doing this by hand, we're breaking it up into these pieces. If you're using a stand mixer, what you would do first is add your eggs, your vanilla. While it's mixing, you add your butter 1/3 at a time, not everything all together. Alright?
Baking is so complicated.
Yes,
That's why when I make cake, it's always flat.
I always tell everyone, unlike cooking savory foods,
Yeah.
baking is more of a science.
Yes, you're right. You have to measure everything.
Everything.
And the egg, if it's cold, also.
So after that,
Next, after you get all your butter, then you can move on to your eggs and your vanilla.
here,
Yes. Yeah, so finish off with the butter.
and the vanilla.
Unsalted, yes. That is the vanilla. The whole point of the vanilla is to get rid of the flavor of your eggs. So if you're not a fan of vanilla, you can use any other flavor. Hazelnut,
Big one.
lemon
I
zest.
got more.
Van! It's Van!
Vanilla.
Now
And a
add,
big Van.
now
Big
add your
Van.
eggs.
Fan.
Van. It's a big Van.
والله
والله.
فان يعني انه محبين انت
انت Van.
خلاص يا بنتي انت قاعد تمسكوها علي والله عليكم انتوا الاثنين الحين.
We put it in it?
Add your eggs and
Okay.
سهل بس هذا شوية عادي.
يعني هذا الكوكيز عبارة عن زبدة ترى.
عادي عادي.
A little bit.
ايوه بس مرة عشان بعدين
You just said you need to diet.
ليش؟
Diet and then خلاص.
So do you put the dough in the fridge a little bit?
So, there are different ways to do this. So, you can freeze this, okay? But not as it is. Once you get them on a tray, you shake it, then you freeze it, and then bake it from close. It's better to do it like that because the outside will have enough time to get